If someone will ask me what is the most mysterious place in the world, then I'll say that oceans, but not without any reasons. I will probably say him that there are many mysteries which are in the oceans. Scientists has discovered more than 2 million of marine species, but scientists claim that this is only 14%. Now we can just imagine only what would be the appearance of remaining 86% of the marine species creatures. There are many proofs which shows that prehistoric creatures can also be still alive in the ocean. Many proofs are based on sounds also. So I wanna discuss about a sound. What is that sound? Well, the name of the sound is kept Julia. Well, today I will discuss about this sound only. So let's start. Well, Julia was an unknown sound recorded on March 1, 1999 by US National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The short form is NoAA. NoAA said the source of the sound was most likely a large iceberg that had run around of Antarctica. Well, but they said that it was predicted, means it was not surely tell that it was a sound of Antarctican iceberg. It was loud enough to be heard over the entire Pacific Ocean with a duration about 2 minutes and 43 seconds. Well, the distance which can be heard was this much. This was the loudest sound which was heard after the bloop. It looked like that marine animal was howling from the deep ocean. Now let's listen to this sound. But before that, please subscribe with notification bell, and if you are liking this video, tap on the like button immediately.